I want to now tell you about what our neighbor nation is up to. Remember Prime Minister Modi's visit to Adampur Air Base? It was for all to see. Very clear, symbolic, precise messaging. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif of Pakistan attempted to do the same. He has been seen visiting different Pakistan military bases alongside Army Chief General Asim Munir. And that is what it looks like about how the messaging has been. Decide for yourself. There was no proper military installation seen. In fact, standing on top of a tank is what Prime Minister of Pakistan has done. Remember, they have been boasting about their missiles, their defense systems, their fighter jets. You don't see that around, at least not in a functional base. General Asim Munir also seen with some 100 soldiers, some war tanks, and again spinning that it is their victory and defeat of India. Amid all of this, remember, this looks hollow and staged. But clearly the desperation of Pakistan to look like all is well when you can see evidence of the damage on their bases. Shivani Sharma joins me on this. Shivani, Pakistan leadership has every right to show that nothing has happened, all is well. But how do you compare these images coming in from Pakistan to Prime Minister Modi's visit to Adampur base?
Pooja, this visit by Shehbaz Sharif to these locations seemed to be a staged and a fake kind of a visit. You cannot see any kind of military installation. Remember, it seems to be an open field there where these tanks have been brought. And very important out here to mention, he's not flying to reach there. He has to drive down, because why he cannot fly, we know, because the VIP air bases have already been destroyed by India. And now we see only these tanks there on which PM Shehbaz Sharif is mounting to be and to show that he is visiting these soldiers. Actually, what we have been noticing since the Pahalgam attack, Pakistan has been trying to copy and imitate what India has been doing. So after Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Adampur, he interacted with the soldiers, the airmen, the pilots who were a part of Operation Sindoor. And in the background, we could clearly see the S-400 air defense systems. We could see the MiG-29. We could see the air bases out there very clearly. But here, in comparison, we can see that there is no military installation. This doesn't seem to be a military facility at all. This seems to be a staged visit, Pooja. There is no weapon system except these tanks and no military installation. So Pakistan is yet again exposing
Shivani, if you really look closely from what you're saying, does this mean they just chose an open field, got a few soldiers, placed a few tanks? Because remember, a base will look like a base if a senior dignitary from the leadership is visiting. Do you get that sense from this base? Thank you very much for now. Tracking all the latest on what exactly is happening in Pakistan.